Where I live, the best way to end a long week on the job is by waking up on Saturday and getting to work. I started on a very specific search to potentially find a truck. I wasn't even sure if I was going to enjoy the ride quality going from an SUV. And so when I made my list of trucks that I wanted to go drive and experience, the Ram 1500 Limited, that was the first one. When I'm looking for a vehicle, it has to look good. I want to be able to see the attention to detail. I want to see the craftsmanship. I want to feel it. And I've owned a lot of cars. I've had 3 BMW X5s. We had a few Land Rovers. Well, they all have nice interiors. They don't offer the utility the same way that the Ram does. Navigating this area can be difficult. The auto leveling, suspension comes into play a lot. There's no weakness. There's no soft spot. It doesn't drive like a truck. It drives like a luxury vehicle. Any little project around the property brings us closer together because we get to spend time planning the project, going to the store. We like to do those things hand in hand. The multifunction tailgate is a feature you never knew you needed, and then you can't live without it.
Getting into the Ram, it's so incredibly comfortable that I actually look forward to long drives. The work we do outside, really, it is a de-stressor for me, and I'm able to focus on what's really happening in my surrounding. I sneak away to relax in the roomy cabin all the time. I can lose track of time and my thoughts as I'm just listening to music and looking at my phone for garden inspiration or what I'm gonna cook for dinner that night. What surprised me about the interior of the Ram was really the quality and the craftsmanship.
The RamBox comes in handy. Maybe it's a few hand tools. You don't want to throw those things in the bed of the truck. They're going to rattle around. The Ram 1500 Limited delivers on the quality of experience that you look for in a premium luxury vehicle. And then you have the intersection of the utility. It does everything that you need a truck to do. There's a sense of accomplishment that comes with everything we do around here. But we're also building our lives together here. At the end of the day, coming together, settling in on the sofa by the fire, that's the moment.